Okay, here we have the new Frosty model Supastox from Kamtec. They've made this for us. Run it on either a brushless or a brushed system. This one here has the new 1S Hobbywing 1060. It's fully programmable. Unlike the standard Hobbywing 1060, this takes a 1S battery, core 21, and that is a nice cheap setup. So I just need to quickly go through some things you need to do for these cars to get them ready. These sort of things, these tie rods need to be nice and loose. Do not over tighten any of these. Should all be nice and loose. Servo should be central. I've took off the rear pod because this here, you need a 3mm Allen key and a 2mm Allen key. You need to take this off, thread lock, reapply. Don't forget the washer to go back in there. Now at the rear, there is an O-ring. It comes dry from the factory. You need to grease this and then rub through the cylinder. If this is not greased, the back end suspension will stick. Second thing to note is this screw. This is a threaded bar. This will come loose. You need to thread lock at the bottom, tighten, 2mm Allen key, hold the threaded bar, tighten it up. Now that is lubed, that will move up and down there lovely. So just quickly, make sure you lube in here, lock tight, lock tight. The last thing is the servo saver. You want the middle hole. The tie rod should be as flat as possible. Middle hole, 3mm drill bit. And then when you screw through, these servo savers should have a screw that fits inside that little lug. It does not come with it. If you tighten this piece to this piece, it will stick. Thread lock into your servo saver. Do not over tighten these two pieces. Make sure the servo saver still works as a servo saver and doesn't get stuck. By that I mean, when you hold the servo still and you try to force the servo saver to do its job, it should return back to the middle. If you over tighten this part, it will stick. Okay, and that's it. Enjoy your build.